we are going to be reacting to the Cat in the Hat, but it's analog horror. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get right into it, boys. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's watch. Cat in the Hat. Whoa. Yeah. Chill.
Emily, sweetie, it's only 2 nights. The babysitter will be here any minute. Her name's Sarah. She's really nice.
Pick up the house phone if you need anything. And don't open the door for anyone you don't know.
Why does he sound like he knows what's gonna happen? They knew they knew what was gonna happen, bruh. They're trying to murder their daughter.
Understood?
Okay. Will you call me when
But not. The babysitter's gonna be the Cat in the Hat. Watch.
you get there? Of course we will. We love you. Be good.
Yeah, no. But she's not supposed to open the door. So how's the babysitter supposed to get in? And also, I do not like this. I do not like this at all. You know, you should have a little, one of those like holes on the doors, like where you could see through them. You should probably have that because you never know what's out there. You know what I mean?
Well, hello.
Watch me.
You must be Emily.
How do you know my name?
Well, Emily, let's just say he's been stalking you a little bit.
Are you wearing a costume?
I'm not wearing a costume.
Oh, no.
I'm the Cat in the Hat. And yes, I know a lot of things. I'm here to make...
Ew, bro, she looks so... Ew, like, what is going on here? Why... Oh, his face is just so... Ew, bro. Oh my goodness, bro.
Tonight really fun.
My parents don't let me talk to strangers. I'm waiting for the babysitter.
Oh, poor thing. Sarah had a little accident. No.
What do you mean, Ken? What happened to her? What happened to her?
Nothing serious, but she won't be able to make it. So they sent me instead. Isn't a talking cat way better than a boring babysitter?
Can you really talk?
I can do a lot more than talk. Will you let me in? I promise we're going to have fun.
By the way, I think this is the most popular analog horror about the Cat in the Hat. If I'm certain, I think this is everybody's like. I think everybody reacted to this. Tell me if I'm wrong, chat, but I think this is the right one. Why is he built like that? What? Yeah, I still can't like comprehend what's going on in his face. Like,
Whoa! How did you do that? He's so pretty.
Just a little trick, see? Not alone anymore.
It's like a princess castle.
wow.
How do you do that? Can you read minds?
Just a little. I know you like
Just a little, maybe a little. I think he could probably read it. He probably reads. Yeah. That's creepy. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No.
Happy colors when you're scared, and I know you're scared of being alone. But you don't have to be anymore. I'm here to keep you entertained until your parents come back. Shall we play hide and seek?
Chat, you know what that means? Chat. Chat, you know what that means, right? He's gonna do something really bad. Hide and seek. I'm immediately dipping. If I saw, I would immediately close the door on him. If there's a big cat that talked in front of my door, I wouldn't even give him a second to speak. I would get out of the back door, jump over the fence, and run for my life. If he is in the closet right now, I'm actually gonna like. By the way, can you react to Verity in second stream? I could do it in one whole stream if you want to. I could react to Verity. But yeah, maybe the other stream.
Come on, you have to hide better than that.
Websites you're compatible.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. You're hiding in the closet, man? Wait, doesn't she seek now? Like, what if the tables have been turned? Like, what if I find you, bruh? Like, no, bro. No, bro. No, bro. You're hiding behind the curtains? He's gonna see your feet. No, Emily. Chat, she's cooked. I don't like this. Excuse me. Can you guess who it is?
Oh no, try harder next time.
I wonder where she's going. Oh, under the bed. Whoa. I just paused on what was that? I was about to say, like, if y'all remember the scene where, in the live action Cat in the Hat, those two are, under the bed, trying to hide from the Cat in the Hat, because that's what I'd probably do too. But, he appears under the bed and he says, "You can run now." This is literally reminding me of that. Emily. Why? Let me see, let me pause. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, Emily's cooked, bro. Emily's cooked. Why'd it get so dark now? I'm clipping that for a thumbnail, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
If you don't hide properly, Emily.
Low key, I would be mad too if my friend was hiding in under the bed, in the closet, and beyond the curtains. Man, I low key understand why he's getting a little mad at Emily. Why are you looking at it like that, bro? Why are you looking like that? Yeah, it's just a game, Ken. It's just a game.
Now I'm Simon. We're playing Simon Says.
All right, boss, you're in charge.
Simon Says, touch your hat. Simon Says, hop on.
Yo, what's up, Life Put? What's up, buddy? Long time no see. Long time no see.
Simon Says, pull a rainbow cat out of your hat. Sing!
Whoa.
You lost, silly. I didn't say Simon Says.
Oh, how silly of me, little one. You win this round, little mouse.
Aww. That's so wholesome. It's so wholesome, chat. It's so wholesome.
This is my team, and we get everything done with Monday.com.
What was that, bro?
Pinatas. This bat is special.
Yeah. Cat in the Hat. What's in those pinatas? No, bro. Those. That's Emily's parents.
Pinatas. This bat is special. It hits really hard even if you don't swing strong. Let's get lots of candy.
Watch me, their blood splatter everywhere. Oh! No! Who would have known?
What did you do?
Surprise! I knew you missed them so much. I brought them back so you could play with them. Isn't it wonderful?
You're a monster! You're a monster! Get out! Get out of my house!
You didn't like the trick? I thought it would make you happy.
Come on, man. Like, I didn't think the live action Cat in the Hat was that bad. But once you edit him like that, man, oh goodness, bro, that's a little doozy there. So shut your mouth. He's coming to kill you, and you're crying in a hallway where everybody could hear you. Emily, you have zero survival instincts. Come on, man. Lord. Cannot chill, bruh. Why'd you come up like that, bruh?
Now, let's play hide and seek.
Sounds like a fun game, Ken. I like that game. I love hide and seek. I haven't heard about chase and seek. Is that a new game? Is that like tag your it? Like tag? Hey, Betty. Why are you talking, bro? You should be holding your breath for dear life. You know what? It's not really smart. You know what? It's not really smart at all. You could have just jumped out a window. Would you rather die from a cat or break some bones and still be able to kind of outrun and still maybe survive? I'll probably jump out of the window. Depends. You are probably in the first floor. So I think it would be probably easier for you to jump out of the window.
Please. There's a monster in my house. You're my mommy and daddy. Please, come quick.
Okay, sweetheart, stay calm. What's your name? Do you expect me to stay calm while a 7-foot giant cat is chasing my bruh?
Emily Smith.
Good girl. Tell me what's happening. If she needs help, just go to her house after she said her name. Immediately search her up, bro, and see where she lives. She's gonna die because of you.
The monster captured my parents, and now he won't stop chasing me. It's one more two.
Let's play something else, little mouse. A simple game. Rock.
What are you guys choosing? Paper or rock, paper, scissors? I'm gonna pick rock. Okay. Okay, what are you guys gonna pick? I'm picking paper. It's wraps for me, I guess. I'm gonna get killed now. Yikes. Okay, let's see what happens to Emily. Because this is what have happened to me. I heard scissors.
I can't feed properly if you won't play nicely. Fine, I'll give you an exit.
Don't. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Stop.
You're alone too.
Don't. I'm not alone. Ain't gonna scare me. Watch there be loud. Warning. Loud sounds. Gonna about to be happening. Also, I'm not alone. the fam's over there, so. Why? Oh my goodness, man. Holy crap. That was insane. The cat is Nathan Koval. Bro, that's crazy. Nathan Cat. Like, is he an actual, like, Koval? I think, no, I've seen this guy. Why am I not subscribed? Oh my goodness, he posted another one. Chat, he posted another one. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see this. We're gonna have to watch this. Wow, man. Is this a sequel?
In local news, the police have confirmed that 8-year-old Emily Smith was found dead this morning, apparently fallen from the second floor of her home.
Ah, she was on the second floor, bro.
Inside the house, the bodies of her parents, Laura and Edwin Smith, were also found. The little girls seem to have suffered a tragic accident. However, the investigations are still ongoing, as the killer remains at large. Just a few blocks away from here, the body of Sarah Williams, the babysitter who had been hired to take care of Emily, was discovered. A few months ago, there was a series of disappearances and killings of children across the entire country. People vanished and never came back. But now,
Well,
this is no ordinary killer. The whole town is terrified. If you see anything strange, don't hesitate to call the authorities. This is a real danger to everyone.
Again? Oh my god.
oh no.
Sweetheart, it's late. Come here.
Bro, I don't trust that window. Like, right here, I do not trust that window at all. Chat, I know, like, yeah. I don't trust it. BizFlix Entertainment, I do remember you, brother. I do not trust that window.
Give me a good night kiss.
I don't want to go to sleep yet, Mom. I'm not tired.
Go to sleep, sweetheart. It's very late.
Okay, but... Mom, can you check under the bed, please? Are there any monsters? I heard noises yesterday.
Imagine she just gets slimed out by the Cat in the Hat.
Oh, Ethan. Of course I will. But there's nothing. Okay?
Mom?
Oh! How did I predict that? Come on, bro. That's pretty predictable, I'm not gonna lie. Nope.
Boo! Surprise! I'm the Cat in the Hat. And you must be Ethan.
Who are you? And where's my mom? Mom!
Easy there, little mouse. Your mom is fine. She's sleeping deeply right under your bed so we don't wake her, okay? She gave me permission to come out and play with you all night. Doesn't that sound wonderful?
For real? Is my mom sleeping and she let me stay awake?
Exactly. Don't you want a chatty cat to entertain you? Come on. What should we play?
Okay, anything.
Anything. Red light, green light. It's my favorite game in the world. I'm starting to not like this. They should really make this into a horror game. That would be crazy. I would totally play that. Whoever watches this and you're like a game developer, you should make a game about this. That would be sick. If there's any games about this, then you know, comment right now and comment down below. Red light. Hey, yo, what the cat doing in there, bro? What the cat doing? Red light, green. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh no. Don't you dare. Hey, yo, what the cat doing there, bro? Green light. Bye-bye. Yo. What's that pose? Yo, chill, cat. Chill. Chill, bro. I did not realize the eyes were there. I thought he was behind him for a second. Hey, yo. Chill. Chill. I know what you do with Emily. Just got slimed out.
Oh, Ethan, you have to be faster.
Again! Now let's play Sleeping Lions!
What kind of game is that?
I close my eyes, and you have to make me move, either by making me laugh and stuff like that.
What a strange game.
Yeah. What a strange game that you want to play with a 7-foot cat that almost made a horror face right in front of your face. You really want to play with this cat more. Didn't you hear your mom scream in terror under the bed?
All right, let's try.
I guess. You okay, cat? Yo, he's horrifying.
Mom?
Run. Fast.
What an inconvenience.
Mom!
Oh, kiddo, what a pity. You just lost the game.
Come on, bro. Why you doing the kid like that, bro? Oh, come on, man. Why you doing Michael Myers like that, man?
Mom?
Oh, you're nicely seated and ready for the show! And now, the one and only Thing 1 and Thing 2!
Please, let her go!
This is going to be incredibly grotesque, folks. So, shall we tone it down just a little for the audience? We wouldn't want any trouble now, would we, little mouse? Come on, little ones, it's dinner time.
Oh my god! I didn't know one and thing two were like that, bruh. Yo, I thought they were chill. Right to the neck. Are you serious right now? They're devouring her, bro. I see you in the shadows. You're not slick.
You don't have to be scared. Or did you not like the show? Your mom played her part very well, didn't she?
You're a monster! Stay away from me!
You know, I hate it when kids don't enjoy my tricks, little mouse. It really leaves me empty. Maybe I should fill my stomach with something less stylish. Come on, kid. Right now while you can. You wouldn't want the same fate as your mom, would you?
I'd probably... You know what? If I have to be happy, then I guess I would have to be happy with a cat who just murdered my mom with thing 1 and thing 2. What are we doing here? Yeah, why the cameras, bro? Why? We're 6 minutes into it, bro. Come on. We're 6 minutes into this, bro. And you're already doing this, bro? Come on, man. Cat shows up. Whoa. Watch. Oh. How did he escape? Is that the cat in the hat? Or is that, the kid? I think that might be the kid trying to hide. In a closet. Are you serious? Watch him. He's gonna appear in the closet, bro. Have you not learned from the Michael Myers? I don't know why I said Michael Myers. Goodness. From the live action movie, with Myers in it. I knew it.
You really think you can hide from me, little mouse?
Get out of here!
Who is that? Sounds like Pennywise.
Surprise!
What a surprise. You still want to play with Little Mouse? Or you still want to play... What, Little Mouse? Now I think I know why he calls them Little Mouse. Because, cats... eat mice.
I was used to play, little mouse. Well, what a family reunion. Sorry, little ones, but I don't have time for vengeful ghosts.
He slimed out his entire family.
What? What's happening?
What's going on?
This is impossible! You're in my world! In my reality! I am the god here!
No, you're nothing. She used to think you were hilarious, but not anymore. The only way you can keep
What is going on?
because she was letting you. God is furious, and the devil has a special seed for you.
No, this can't be happening! No!
R.I.P. bruh. R.I.P. bruh. Suburban Nightmare. Mother brutally murdered. Serial killer link suspected. November 21st, 2003. Okay. Local authorities made a horrifying discovery late Tuesday night after responding to a flurry.
I had a dream last night that filled me full of fright. I dreamt that I was with the devil below in his great big fiery hall, where the devil was giving a ball. I checked my coat and hat and started gazing at the merry crowd who came to witness the show. And I must confess to you, there were many there I knew at the devil's ball. At the devil's ball. At the devil's ball. At the devil's ball. I saw the cute Mrs. Devil so
Hey.
Abraham, the leader man who led the band last fall. He played the music at the devil's ball. At the devil's ball. In the devil's ball. In the devil's ball. I saw the funniest devil that I ever saw, taking the ticket from the door.
Oh, what a horrible happy ending that would have been. Wouldn't you say?
Should have known. I should have known, man. Myers, bro. What happened, bruh? Myers. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, and then the ending is like this. Yeah, that's just great, man. That is absolutely fantastic. That is the craziest analog horror that I've honestly ever saw ever. Wow, that is crazy.